Evening English. Cooking and sharing a meal together. Hello there, language learners. Today we're diving into an important part of daily life and conversational English. Evening routines, specifically, preparing and sharing dinner. We're going to practice some role-play activities that center around cooking and sharing a meal with a partner or group. So, grab your imaginary spatula and dinner plate, and let's get started. First off, we need to build up our vocabulary. Here are some common words and phrases you might use when talking about cooking and having dinner. 1. Prepare dinner. To get the food ready to cook or eat. 2. Cook. To prepare food by using heat. 3. Ingredients. The different food items you use to make a dish. 4. Recipe. The set of instructions you follow to make a dish. 5. Set the table. To arrange the table with plates, glasses, cutlery, etc. 6. Serve. To dish out food for people to eat. Let's put these words into practice. Now that we're familiar with the vocabulary, let's dive into a role-play scenario. Partner 1. What should we prepare for dinner tonight? Partner 2. I'm not sure. Maybe we could cook some pasta? Partner 1. Great idea. What ingredients do we need? Partner 2. We need pasta, tomatoes, garlic, and cheese. I can look up a recipe. Partner 1. I'll start preparing the ingredients. Could you set the table? Now let's practice a conversation you might have while sharing the meal. Partner 1. This pasta is delicious. I'm glad we decided to cook. Partner 2. Me too. Cooking together makes the meal more enjoyable. Partner 1. It's nice to share a meal and catch up on our day. Now that we've gone over some examples, it's your turn to practice. Use the vocabulary and phrases we've learned to role-play your own conversations around cooking and sharing a meal. You can practice with a partner, or imagine a scenario and practice on your own. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you found these role-play scenarios and practice activities helpful. With practice, discussing your evening routines and sharing a meal in English will become second nature. Remember, the key to learning is practicing in a variety of contexts. So, whether you're preparing dinner, setting the table, or enjoying your meal, try to use your English skills. Until next time, happy learning!